Hey, come with me as I show you how to sign a document with Adobe PDF Reader. So you'll need Adobe Reader DC. It's installed on your computer. If you don't have it, just go to uh, get.adobe.com/reader. Yeah. So once you're at the site, just download the free version over here, but just don't continue clicking on it blindly. Just uncheck these things, because it's going to affect your computer, right? So then you just hit download. It will download the thing, just run through the setup, and you'll have it installed in your computer. But luckily, I've already got it on my computer, so I'm not going to waste time on it, right? So um, yeah, I almost stopped the recording. Let me go to downloading a form and signing it. So what you want to do, you want to download the form. If Adobe is not your default program, you won't be able to just right click and open with your system view. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your downloads folder or wherever you saved it, right click on it, click on open with, and select that Adobe DC Reader. Right. Just wait for it to open. So now that you have it there, what you want to find is you want to find this little pen tool over here. If you click on it, it should open the fill-in sign for you. So I had to click on it. It's not opening up for me. It's taking its time, probably because I've got the recording program running. But anyway, this will now enable you to sign your documents. So I can easily just click whatever I want to insert on. So sometimes you'll have to like just tweak it a bit to get your stuff, and you can just fill in your details. Like in this regard, I want to switch over to hello. I want to. Okay, sometimes you just have to select the right tool. Hey, and you'll be able to continue and fill it. And where you need to sign, just simply select the sign tool. Initially, you won't have any signatures here. You'll just have to click on add signature, go put in your signature here, and you can just click and drag and drop it wherever it requires your signature. And usually with the signatures, it also asks, for the date, and you can just put in the date. I think it's the 29th already. So there you go, Manad. And if you're done doing that, just hit the save it wherever you want, upload it, send it back, and you should be sorted. Cool. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.